say we turn this bad boy on. What do you say? I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, and then I want you to listen to this magic right here. Oh, that's my favorite part. All right, this machine comes threaded. So like I said, the minute you take this out of the box, it is ready to go. Perfect for the beginner. If you are a beginner, there is free one-on-one after-sales service where they will teach you one-on-one to all customers, no matter if it is a used machine or a new machine. So that is incredibly awesome to have that help. There is a beautiful 7-inch color touchscreen, a larger screen than any other similar product on the market as of right now. There is 96 built-in designs, 8 lettering fonts in all 11 languages in this machine itself without you having to purchase anything at all. So I'm just going to go through some of the things right here that they have available. Bunch of cute stuff. I'm going to be using this bee right here later on for a project, which I'm super excited about. There's also these built-in borders that you can choose from, a bunch of different cute ones. On this last page right here, there's this super cute heart one, and I love it. It is so, so cute. But yeah, that is what is built in to the machine before you even bring in your own designs or own fonts or anything else. Right here is where you choose your hoop size. You can either do 4 by 9.25 or your 4 by 4, and you just click it depending on what size you want. Right here is where you change your colors. So you could take an image and change the colors of it if you want to, just so that you know what colors you're gonna have to put in next. Also, you can move it right here, or you can also grab it in the screen and move it around yourself, but you can center it. There's an option that you can also mirror the image. You can flip it horizontal or vertical. You can also take it and make the image bigger and smaller. You can expand it by going wider or shrinking it. You can make it taller or shorter. It's really, really cool how you have these options built in right here. You can rotate it by total degrees, or you can do it a little bit or a tiny, tiny, tiny little bit. It is really cool to have this option too. If you just want to slant it just ever so slightly, you have that option. I think it's so handy that this machine actually shows you exactly the start point. It'll show you, and you can click it again to get it back exactly where you want it to go. It also shows you exactly where it's sewing. So if you're 10 stitches in or whatever, it'll show it and trace it. It's a really cool feature. Right here, you can also move it again if you need to right before you start. And now I'm going to quickly show you how to make the stabilizer that came with it work for your 9.25. And all you do is put 2 of them on top of each other, overlapping it a little bit, and you're going to sew 2 straight stitches right down to hold it together. And then you will have a longer piece of stabilizer in order to hoop and use all of the stabilizer that your machine came with. Now let's make our first project using this machine.